vlog and cooking in quarantine. I'm going to be showing you how to make a Mamma Mia perfectionist salad. So our ingredients today are grilled chicken, but for alternatives you can use your gourmet chicken liver or any type of other chicken that you use. You can also replace it with any type of pork or beef or any type of meat, unless you're vegan or a vegetarian and you don't want to eat salad. With that, I have my chiffonade iceberg greens. You would have your edamame to top it on top. A little bit of Caesar dressing with some olive oil mix. You need a tablespoon of that. Some homemade croutons, which I'll teach you how to make. And I think that's about it. Oh, and you'll need your Parmesan. Anything else is optional. So, okay, let's start with our chiffonade iceberg leaves. So, again, this is depending on how much you make. I'm making a little bit of like a family size. It depends how much you eat. This is going to be obviously your main part of your salad. Once again, I'm addicted with these wooden spoons. Okay, let's add our chicken. This would about be 2 cups of grilled chicken. I glazed it with barbecue as well. Perfection. Yum, that smells so good. Now for our croutons, what we did, since in quarantine, croutons may be a little bit hard to find and you may not have the time to make them. I just took my regular whole wheat bread or whole grain bread, and what I did was I splattered olive oil on it. You can also put your balsamic vinegar, balsamic reduction, and then I just baked it in the oven for 12 minutes. So I'm just going to top that on top. Make sure to glaze these with olive oil. Yum, yum, yum. My pan is really good for carrying these croutons. So I'm just going to top it on top. Remember, croutons are completely optional. It's just on most Caesar salads. I do think that croutons have this really good combination. Blend that up a little bit. Okay, so now you're going to take 1 tablespoon of your Caesar salad, a little bit of olive oil dipped in it. Take 1 tablespoon and just chop that baby on top. Yum. Then you can always mix it afterwards. And last but not least, we're going to add our splendid edamame. Yum. Now what I usually really like to add is I love to add craisins, which is like raisins, but they're actually cranberries. But since we're out of craisins and obviously our coronavirus crisis, I'm going to be using some edamame. Now, to make this the most perfectionist salad in the world, I'm just going to add a little bit of Parmesan. Yum. And I'm going to top it off with my pepper. Mamma mia! Okay guys, thank you for watching and I really hope you enjoyed our recipe.